Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is all about January's BoxyCharm, and I know that there's tons of videos out already about what's inside this box. I just got my box 2 days ago, so I got it kind of late, but I figured I'd put this video up anyways because why not? A lot of you guys in my last BoxyCharm video said that you wanted to see me test out the products a little bit more and give a little bit more of an in-depth review, so that is what we're doing today. So if you guys want to see what's inside January's box, then please keep watching. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've already been inside this box a little bit, kind of peeking around, seeing what's in here. You open it up and this is what you see. Little note on the top. It has a little card here that tells you all the information about what is inside of the box. So let's just start off with one of my favorite things in this box, which is this liquid lipstick by Ofra. First of all, I love Ofra. Like, I love their highlighters. One of my favorite highlighters is actually, I think I've got it right here. This guy right here. This is in the shade Blissful. Beautiful highlighter if you're in the market for a highlighter, but I'm really digging this lip color. I actually have it on today, and it is kind of like a mousse formula, so it's very velvety. It doesn't feel like chunky or anything on the lips, and I've been wearing it for about an hour so far, so I do like the way it's wearing so far. This is in the shade Miami Fever, and it's a really beautiful kind of burnt orange shade, which I've actually been kind of like digging lately. I've been into the burnt orange kind of vibe. That retails for $20. Alright, up next we have, what is this? This is the, oh man, I hate words that I can't pronounce. Bragio. Whatever. What's really funny is a lot of times I see words that are more on the fancy side, and it turns out there's something super simple, but I just don't pronounce it right on camera, and then everybody in the comments like correct me, and they're like, idiot, it's this. And I'm like, ah. Let me be me, okay? This is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. That smells good. It just smells like, I don't know. I can't explain the smell, but it's very like sweet almost. Almost smells kind of like a hint of tartness. You know, it's so hard to explain scents over the camera, so you're just gonna have to buy it and check it out because this smells really good. I have not tried this out yet, but I have tried out different products by this brand, and I do like the products by the brand, so I'm sure I'm gonna like this too. Okay, fine. I'm gonna pull it out, you guys. This is probably the most exciting thing in the box for me personally. A Tarte palette. I just love it when they throw these in here. I get so excited because I never buy Tarte on my own. I'm just trying to work with what I have. I know that I said I'm kind of in the buying mode again for my makeup collection, but now that I'm getting married, I feel like I have to save my money, so that's why BoxyCharm is nice, because it does the shopping for me so I can try new products, but like not break the bank. So here's what she looks like. This is, by the way, the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. So I do have the Volume 1. Let's pull her out. So these are the two compared to each other. I took a peek inside of this already, and come on. I don't want to break my nails. Ah! Inside, you guys, these are just some beautiful, gorgeous, natural, everyday shades. Like, I feel like this is a great starter palette. The only problem is I don't really see any mattes. There is one matte in this entire palette, and it's kind of like a cream shade. If they would have just thrown in one more matte, that's another problem that I had with the Tarte original Rainforest of the Sea palette. They have mattes in there, but they're very like satiny, so they do have like a slight bit of sheen to them. But this is just really nice regardless, because it does have some beautiful everyday staple shimmer shades. So I'll definitely be using it, but I do wish that it had a like a matte shade in there for the crease, but other than that, it's really beautiful. I'll swatch these so you guys can see what it all looks like. I'm actually wearing this shade right here on my lids. I wanted to go with a really simple look today because I just threw on some makeup, and you know, obviously my hair, I actually just braided it last night, and this is what happened to it, so I was just like, yeah, we're gonna roll with it because I just really wanted to film this video. I'm going out of town tomorrow, so I just kind of threw a little something on my face just to film this video, so just want to keep it very, very simple. And the palette retails for $36, so super, super excited about that. Next up, we got a brow pencil. This is by BDB, Billion Dollar Brows. Universal Brow Pencil. And what shade is this in? Oh, that's a nice shade. Okay, let's just try this out here because I could probably use a brow touch up here. It's nice because it has a little spoolie on one end and has a nice pointed tip on the other side. That is really, really nice. Yeah, I really like this. It's very, very creamy. It doesn't, like, you know, sometimes there's these brow products that are just kind of chunky and looks like kind of like you draw on crayon with your eyebrows. This is very, very silky and it blended out really nicely into my brows, so I really like this a lot. How much does this retail for? This retails for $18. Wow, that's awesome. And last but certainly not least, we have some Tatcha Luminous Dewy Silk Mask. And there are 2 of them in here. I really only thought there was 1, but there's 2. So how much do these retail for per mask? $24. That's amazing. So I'm not going to apply it over my makeup, but I am going to insert a clip when I'm done filming this video and kind of tell you guys what I think about it. Okay, you guys, I have the face mask on. It feels really, really like relaxing and cool. I do have a little black eye mask on underneath it because I really wanted some moisture underneath my eyes as well. So I'm kind of like double timing here, but really like it. It's very moisturizing feeling, very cool feeling. So that does it for this month's BoxyCharm. And I'm gonna have to say it's probably one of my favorite boxes that I've received so far. Just because usually the boxes are pretty darn good, but there usually be a couple items in there that I'll either not use or just gift to somebody else because I know I won't use them. But I'm gonna use everything in this box this month. Like, this was a great box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Hit that little bell notification button and that will notify you every time that I post a video, so that way you don't miss one. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.